Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today we're going to go over the process of checking your brake fluid levels and how you would add brake fluid if you need to on your Hyundai Sonata. This is a 2012 Hyundai Sonata, and so this is your brake fluid reservoir. You're going to have a minimum down here and a maximum. You just want to make sure it's in between there. This happens to be pretty good. But if it was too low, right, you don't want to have it too low, because then what will happen is you'll get air in the line and your brakes will not work properly, right? Also, this one happens, you have sensor too that should light off if it goes too low. But we want to go ahead and add some fluid. So the way we would add fluid, we'd remove this cap. Make sure you know which type you need. Try a .4. Just remove this cap, and then you would pour it in until you get up to your max line here, right? And then just go ahead and put the cap back on. And that is how you check and fill your brake fluid on a 2012 Honda Sonata. Thanks for watching.